guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I already filmed some video, but I decided to film another video because it's gonna be so quick. Today I have half cucumber left, so I'm gonna use this one and then I'm gonna make some Oshinko. So let's get started. It's gonna be so quick and easy. So cut cucumber in 1 bite size. Put them in plastic bag. Then add a tiny bit of salt. Less than 1 pinch of, maybe 1 pinch of salt. Maybe 2 pinches of salt. Then, jam. I'm gonna hit my cucumber. 그래. If you seal perfectly, it's gonna blow up. So make sure to have a tiny hole. Okay, so hit. Not too much though. Done. Then squish. Right. Then put it into fridge and then leave it for a while. Maybe somewhere around 1 hour to 3 hours. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna eat this for dinner today. So I'm going to use Ajinomoto and soy sauce. Add some Ajinomoto and then a little bit of soy sauce. A little bit more. Okay, so let's eat. いただきます。It feels like Japan. 美味しい. It's really good. It's so good. I really wanted to try this. Can't stop eating. なくなっちゃった。もっと食べちゃおう。I'm gonna eat more. Thank you for watching. How was the quick cucumber cooking? If you are interested in, please try it. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.